tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification. Friends, I hope you're aware that we have 3 YouTube channels. One is Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, Tarot Reader Shefali in English, and Spirituality Decoded. So I hope you have checked out my channel Spirituality Decoded also. Now in this video we are going to speak about monthly predictions for October 2020. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Virgos, welcome to your prediction for October 2020. People who are born from 23rd of August to 22nd of September are Virgos. Let's see what's in cards for you all. We'll start with your energy oracle cards. Friends, you have Angel of Strength energy in your cards, which is a very positive energy. This energy determines that you will be blessed with a lot of inner strength. You will be able to work on that strength, and that strength will empower you as an individual to face any kind of a situation that is coming your way in October 2020. Angels are advising vegan diet. They are urging you, or they are suggesting you to restore your energy, which can be used for the right purpose. And to restore that energy, use minimum toxic diet, that is, go for vegetarian diet, go for positive thoughts, positive actions, so that you don't end up wasting energies in the wrong and negative way. Because that energy you might need to strengthen your inner core and face certain issues that are coming your way in October 2020. Chakra advice card is advising you to draw energy from the Mother Earth, who is the source of energy for all of us. So let's see what other cards are suggesting. To start with your relationship card, we have Hanged Man in reverse, which is saying that somewhere in your relationship segment you are going to get little clarity, clarity of how to handle your relationships. It is possible, highly possible, that in immediate past you have been in indecision, confusion. There has been lack of direction in terms of handling the relationship. Because of that confusion, chaos and indecision, somewhere you were feeling lost, and there was a mistrust, there was misunderstanding in the relationship. But now you are going to get little clarity on how to handle the relationship and how to better it in the better format, so that you can keep each other happy. This could be your husband wife relationship, it could be your parent daughter or parent son relationship, it could be relationship with your parents, your friends, your colleagues, your distant relatives. So basically, depending upon your situation, you have to pick and choose the advice, as I always suggest, because this is a general spread. Here you might have to use your knowledge from the past, your analytical as well as practical sense, and lot of maturity to help you figure out a way to balance your relationship or get clarity in the relationship, because it is very much needed to create a balance in your overall relationship segment. Coming to your career, we have Ace of Swords in the upright position, which is a very good card. It is suggesting that there is a possibility of new opportunity coming your way. Now, this new opportunity could be from a known or unknown source. So if you have been planning to look out for a job, yes, this is a good time. You might be blessed with a good opportunity from a source you never expected to have. You might be changing the direction of your job. You might be there is also a possibility that you might be exploring something new in the current job, or totally looking at a different job option altogether. Basically, wherever you never felt that could be an option, but you are exploring that, and it might turn out to be a very winning card for you. Now, this could also happen for people who are in business, so they might explore something different, something really new other than what they have been doing in their career. They might be blessed with a good helping hand in that segment. For that matter, you might get or outsource the intellectual support, either in terms of a job or in terms of business, where you are taking a helping hand from somebody whom you never thought you would get that help from. Overall, what I can see is there is a new prospect, new opportunity, new help at hand from a very unexpected source. Show the courage to make bloom into a flower. This is going to be a tough time because you will be starting from the base, you will be starting something really new, unknown maybe, so you might have to do a lot of research, a lot of helping hands might be needed, but then you will really do well if you make the most out of this opportunity that is coming your way. So show the courage and do it anyway, take it up anyway. Coming to your financial card, we have Empress card in the reverse position. Very strong major arcana card, shows the blockage in your financial system. So somewhere either you have drained or overspent a lot of money in the immediate past, or you have been planning to set up something or invest something in a very lucrative opportunity, but it is stuck for a long time. And the major reason for it being stuck could be one of the lady who is trying to negatively influence the investment opportunity. So go moment to moment, don't worry, things are just very temporary, and in time you will know what decisions to take, and go moment to moment. Don't jump to any drastic decision or drastic conclusion very easily. Okay, coming to your health, we have Ace of Pentacles upright, which is showing a very good and bright healthy life which you are enjoying in the coming months. You might be getting some support, if at all you need any support in taking care of your health. You might be getting a very good supporting hand, either via your friends, your family, or with some from some unexpected source, like some healer or some doctor who is going to really give you a new way of taking care of your life, and it is going to help you to strengthen yourself. So it will help you to condition yourself into a very strong personality. So maybe you're going through little mental chaos, but then this helping hand is really going to take you out of that chaos and make you as a stronger person and help you realize the inner strength. Because over here also we are getting an angel of strength, and here we are getting a conditioning where you are actually realizing your inner power, inner strength as a lion, and you will be able to face whatever comes your way. The creator is by your side. Somehow I felt like drawing one extra card here, and we got a creator card which shows that a divine source, divine energy is with you to protect you in any tough time which you might go through. But overall I can see really good positive cards other than financial cards and relationship. So you might have to just so in summary, we have a judgment card which is suggesting that in certain areas where we see challenges in relationship and financial segment, you might have to take certain important decisions. You might be fearful or scared of taking these decisions because you fear of losing something, you fear of not being able to tackle things well, because there is lack of clarity, there is a lot of confusion, there is lack of confidence to take any particular decision. But here the advice would be, hold on to yourself, and in time you will get clarity. So don't get hassled. Anxiety is very evident, so don't be anxious. In time things will settle down and you will know what to do and what decisions to take, Virgos. I hope this reading helped you guys to plan your coming month. Very good luck to all of you. So friends, I really hope that this video will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. If you're looking for a personalized appointment, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, which is given in the screen on the screen. You can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook account, and my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm very active on my Instagram and Facebook page also. So you can drop me a message if you're looking for some appointment or some query. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and families. These are free videos. It can really help them, guide them if they align with the spread. Don't forget to comment on my videos. Your comments really help me to get your feedback, and in improvisation, if you need anything, any topic you want me to cover. And I'm really thankful to all those people who are already part of my journey as subscribers, and those who are going to join us ahead. A very, very good luck to all of you.